Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. Looking at this box, I would say it's much more promising than my last unboxing, right? I probably will link it here if you want to go look at my last mystery box unboxing. This one is not from Portland Leather, this one is from Dooney. I got this one from their Glitch Sale. I know people call it Glitch Sale, but I think that's just the way how they do sales and to get rid of their overstock product, because the glitch sales kind of happen like, I would say, average every other month. So if a company website constantly have glitch like every other month, that seems pretty messed up, doesn't it? Anyway, I always love this collection, and it was the lowest price I have seen since I started buying from Dooney. So I had to get it even though I have another one similar. So let's get it started. Don't want to keep you waiting. So sometimes the glitch sales tend to happen late at night or middle of the night. Do you want me to post something on my Instagram story when that happens? Let me know if you like me to do so. Next time when I see a glitch sale, I will update you on my Instagram. So here is what came in the box. I know it doesn't look as big as the box. I don't know why they use such a big box, but at least they didn't squish my bag into a box that's too small, like sometimes Coach Outlet does, or even Coach Retail have done that multiple times. Let's open it up. They're doing pretty good job for the packaging. As you can see here, they wrap things pretty well. Okay, it's now fully unwrapped. So this Dooney Tote is called, I believe, is from their Toscana Canvas collection. It's called Toscana Canvas East-West Delancey Tote. They used to have the full leather version. For the regular North-South tote, I do have the full leather version. So personally, I would recommend that more because the leather is amazing. As like, you look at this leather. If you have this bag full leather, can you imagine how amazing that would be? So if you could still find it somewhere online, I highly recommend you getting a full leather version. This one is the canvas version. Original price for this one, I believe it was around $4.78. Personally, I wouldn't pay so much for a canvas tote because I have a feeling that canvas it doesn't age as well as leather. I think when leather age, get marks and even scratches, they tend to still has a certain look that's really nice. But canvas, I have seen canvas bags sometimes after they get old and age and they get worn, it just doesn't look as good. So the price for this one I got from the glitch sales was, I believe it was $139. Pretty much the lowest ever. I'm really happy that I could get it at this price because no way I would pay $4.78 for a canvas tote. So Looking at this tote, at the bottom it's full leather. I believe this is some kind of their Florentine leather. You could still see some natural vein on this leather, and it does come with 4 metal feet. While I was looking up the information from their website, they say their hardware is usually they use gold-plated hardware, but who knows what kind of coating they actually use. Anyway, it has a label logo patch here, so I believe this is the front side, and then the handle can come up and down, no problem. On the other side, you have this pocket that's big enough and deep enough that you could put your big cell phone in and out easily. For this tote, it doesn't have a zipper closure, so it's this kind of a magnetic tab button closure. For this one, I'm glad the magnet still pretty powerful. Last time when I got the other Florentine tote, the magnet was non-functional. It totally didn't work. And this is the strap that came with this tote. It's nice quality, but it's not as thick. It's not as thick as the Marc Jacobs strap, but still really good quality, and I'm sure it's comfortable to be used. You can hook it on the side, and I do like the luggage tag that came with it. It's really beautiful to have this kind of a strap webbing material and the leather at the back. So inside of the bag, it has this laptop compartment, and then I think this you can put your business card here, I believe. Probably because the compartment is so big, it does have this button tab to make sure to secure your laptop. Also, it has this zipper pocket. Let's see how big is the pocket. It doesn't go all the way, I believe, but definitely I would say maybe 8 inches deep into the pocket. It has this nice leather tab. It's a plastic zipper, but it works really well and really smooth. On the other side, two slip pocket. So it has 2 slip pocket on the other side. So basically, other than a couple of slip pocket and the zipper pocket and the laptop compartment, is just a big space inside. Now let's compare to this one. They call it East-West Delancey Tote, and I did have the regular North-South Delancey Tote. So here is the comparison. They are extremely similar. To tell you how much I love this collection, I have a full leather version of this bag. I'm sure you can find it somewhere on my channel about the unboxing video. The inside of it, basically, the organization, pockets, and compartments, they are exactly the same. So the only difference of these two are just the proportion. This one is more in a landscape shape, and this one is longer in a more vertical shape. I don't know which one would fit more, to be honest. I feel like they are extremely similar. And as a self-claimed realistic person, I have to convince myself and give myself a reason why I need both of these, because I already have one and now I bought the other two. I think I probably would start using this during spring and maybe summertime. I just feel like canvas has this vibe that's more appropriate for spring and summer. And the reason I told myself to get this east-west shaped Delancey Tote, because I feel like when I travel, especially on an airplane, if I want to carry this tote and put it under the seat, it would be harder for me to put this under the seat. It would be too tall, so I would have to put it sideways, and it won't be ideal since it doesn't have a zipper closure. And for this one, it's slightly, I just need to tilt it slightly and it should be able to fit under the seat. But looking at this is quite a good size, and it's actually a little bit taller than I expected. Recently, when I was on the trip to Pennsylvania, I did notice that some of the airplane economy seat, their seats seem to get a little bit lower and lower. So I'm not sure why, but maybe they really try to limit how much we can take for carry-on when we travel. Trying to get closer, see, maybe you can look at the texture of this canvas. Based on what the website say, it's supposed to be water repellent, so hopefully it doesn't get dirty easy, because it's kind of it's not white, but it's kind of natural creamy canvas color. So far, I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing here. I may need to stuff it and reshape it a little bit, but other than that, nothing horrible, and I sure feel better about my unboxing today. Have you bought anything from Dooney's Glitch Sale last time? Let me know what did you buy and what have you bought, and if you did an unboxing video, feel free to comment it below. Maybe other people can head over and see what kind of good deal you got during the glitch sale, Dooney's Glitch Sales. So thanks for watching, and I'm grateful that you are watching my video, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.